Hello everyone, I'm Ting-Hao from Penn State University. Today I'm going to talk about our finding paper SciCap, a new large-scale dataset for scientific figure captioning. This is joint work with my advisor, Dr. Lee Giles, and co-advisor, Dr. Huang. Researchers use figures to communicate information in their papers. The caption of these figures are critical. However, low-quality figure captions still occur in scientific articles pretty often. So we think if we could build a figure captioning model that's generating high quality captions for scientific figures automatically, the readers of the papers could read better captions, and the writers of the papers could use the generated caption as a draft. To enable such figure captioning models, we introduced SciCap, a large-scale figure captioning dataset based on computer science archive papers. In this work, we focus only on one type of charts, graph plots, which is also called line charts. SciCap contains over 100,000 graph plots figures extracted from over 290,000 computer science and machine learning archive papers. Our dataset construction pipeline has 6 steps. First, we download 2 million scholarly articles from the archive dataset and selected only CSM NL papers. Second, we extracted the figures and their captions from all the selected papers. Third, we use a classifier to classify the extracted figures into different figures types. We decided to go for the most dominant type graph parts. Next, we try to identify if these figures have subfigures. The figures with multiple subfigures are a lot more complicated, so we decided to focus on the figures with no subfigures. Next, we also did some text normalization. For example, replacing all the numbers with one universal number token. Finally, caption tags come in different sizes. Some are pretty long and some only have one sentence. We use several different strategies to create the final training data. For example, only use the captions that have one sentence, or only use the captions with no more than 100 words. We also establish a set of pretty simple baselines using CNN plot SDN. Not too surprisingly, the resulting Bluefold scores are only around 0.02. Here are some examples. After we submitted the papers, we tried some more advanced methods such as GPT-2, and we moved the score slightly up to around 0.04. On the one hand, blue scores might not be the best measures for this test. On the other hand, generating captions for scientific figures is an extremely hard task. So we invite you to go check our GitHub repository and play with the data. We are excited to see your solutions for generating high quality captions for scientific figures. Thank you.